Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at Bece 2019 Mathematics Past Question 14. Simplify 3x all over 5 raised to the power of 2. That is, we have to simplify 3x all over 5 everything raised to the power of 2, all raised to the power of 2. Now, what do? We have what 3x all over 5 in bracket raised to the power of 2, meaning that everything here in the bracket is what raised to the power of 2. Now let's open this bracket and see what we have. Remember, simplification means what? Breaking down to the lowest what? Minimum, to make it what? More simple, not complex. So now open this bracket, we have what? When we open this bracket, we have 3x in bracket raised to the power of 2 all over what? 5 raised to the power of 2. Remember, I told you that once you have a number in bracket raised to the power of another number, it means that what the entire content of that bracket is raised to the power of what? This number 2. Now this is what's giving us. Now we also express this now because we have 3x raised to the power of 2. Now let's break this bracket now. It will now give us what? 3 raised to the power of 2 times what? X raised to the power of what? 2 all over 5 raised to the power of what? 2. Now you have 3 raised to the power of 2, x raised to the power of 2, and 5 raised to the power of 2. Now this is equal to, like we know, 3 raised to the power of 2 simply means 3 times 3, and that will give us what? 9. Well, so 3 times 3 will give us 9, and x squared, so you have 9x squared all over. Now 5 raised to the power of 2 simply means 5 times 5, and that will give us what? 25. So you can see our answer here is what? 9x squared raised all over what? All over 25. Now let's go to our options. In our option here now, A says what? 9x squared. A says 9x squared all over 25. B says 4x squared all over 25. C says 3x squared all over 25. And D says what? 4x squared all over what? All over 5. Now which of these is our answer? Remember we got what? Remember we got 9x squared all over 25, and A here says what? 9x squared all over 25. So A is our answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.